We'll guide you through how to push code from Android Studio to GitHub. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Pauser is now going to continue with the guide.
Before we begin, make sure two things are ready. First, Git should be installed on your computer since Git is what allows us to track changes and communicate with GitHub. Second, you should have a GitHub account because that is where we will upload our Android Studio project. So to install Git, just go ahead and open any browser to your liking and just go ahead and search for Git and hit enter. Now let's go to the official website, and here just go ahead and click on install for your operating system and just go ahead and select your operating system and just click on this particular text to download the setup.exe file. Now just wait for your setup.exe file to complete downloading and then just go ahead and click on it to run the setup wizard. Now just click on yes if prompted, and here just go ahead and read through the public license and then just click on next, and here you can leave most of the options at default and click on next until you get the install button. Just click on install and just wait for the installation to complete. After that, you can toggle off view release note and click on finish. And once done, just go ahead and open github.com on your device, and then once that you have done that, just go ahead and log into your account. And now inside GitHub, create a new repository. So just click on the plus new to create a new repository and give your repository a name. So I'm just gonna name it something like Android Studio. And then after that, you can choose your visibility and then click on create repository. And now GitHub will provide your repository URL, which is this particular URL. Just go ahead and highlight it just like so, and then press Ctrl C to copy it to your clipboard. And now switch back to Android Studio. Now open your project and open the terminal inside Android Studio. You can just go to the main menu and go to view and go to tools window, and here you will see terminal, or you can also press alt and F12. And after that, first thing that we need to do is initialize Git inside our project. So just go ahead and type git space init and hit enter. After running this command, a hidden folder named .git will be created inside your project directory. This folder contains all the information Git needs to track about your project. Now we need to tell Git which file we want to track. So if you want to include the entire project, just go ahead and type git space add and dot and hit enter. So I made an error, so just go ahead and type git space add space and dot and hit enter. The period at the end means add everything inside the current folder. Now let's create our first commit. A commit is basically a snapshot of your project at a particular moment. So just go ahead and type git space commit space -m space double quotation, and you can write anything. So I'm just gonna type something like first commit and close the double quotation. You can replace first commit with anything that you like. Commit messages simply help you remember what changes were made. After that, just go ahead and hit enter. Now we need to connect our local project with the GitHub repository that we created earlier. To do that, just go ahead and type git space remote space add space origin space and then press Ctrl V to paste the URL that we copied earlier. After that, just go ahead and hit enter. To verify that the remote repository has been added correctly, just go ahead and run git remote space -v and hit enter. This command shows the fetch and push URL associated with your repository. Now we are ready to upload the code. But first, we need to know our branch. To know your branch, just go ahead and type git space branch and hit enter. So if your branch is master, just go ahead and type git space push space origin space master. And if your branch is main, just go ahead and type main instead of master. After that, just go ahead and hit enter. After entering the command, Git will upload your project to GitHub. Once your upload is complete, just go to your GitHub and now just refresh the page. And now you should see all your files from Android Studio project available online. And that's it. That's how you push code from Android Studio to GitHub.